In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim whitespace in Google Sheets to clean your data. If you've ever had a list that just won't sort correctly, a lookup that fails for no obvious reason, or text that looks slightly off, extra spaces are often the culprit. Whitespace includes leading spaces at the start, trailing spaces at the end, and multiple spaces hiding between words. Cleaning this up makes your data consistent, reliable, and easier to analyze. Start by opening your Google Sheets document that contains the data you want to tidy. Take a quick look at what you want to affect. This tool respects your selection, so you can highlight a specific range, like a single column of names, or leave your selection as is if you plan to clean a broader area. If your sheet has headers, keep that in mind as you select, especially if you only want to clean the rows beneath. Next, go to the top toolbar and click the Data menu. From there, choose Data Cleanup, and then select Trim Whitespace. This is the built-in tool designed specifically for removing unwanted spaces without changing the actual words or numbers you care about. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you want to remove excess whitespace from the selected range. When you're ready, click Remove. Google Sheets will then scan through your selection and automatically delete leading spaces at the beginning, trailing spaces at the end, and any extra spaces between words, leaving just single spaces where appropriate. You'll notice that text becomes more uniform right away. Names align correctly, email-like text loses hidden gaps that break filters, and lookups are far more dependable. Numbers that were stored as text because of stray spaces often behave properly after this cleanup. The tool focuses on text values. It won't rewrite formulas, so calculated cells remain intact. That means you can safely run it across areas with formulas without worrying about altering those expressions. You can apply Trim Whitespace to a specific range or to the entire sheet, depending on your selection. If you had a particular column or group of cells highlighted, only those will be cleaned. If you selected everything beforehand, the cleanup will apply across the sheet. After the tool finishes, give your data a quick scan. Try a sort or a filter to confirm that values align as expected. And remember, if something looks off, you can always use Undo to revert immediately. With that, your data is cleaner, more consistent, and ready for accurate analysis.